What are the 6 greens that you can easily grow in this hot summer and enjoy the nutritious recipes with them? And with every bite, the extra boomba boomba effect is your own homegrown vegetables. Wow. I think every chef should spend some time in a farm. Understanding how they are grown surely helps in little bit creativity in your recipes and the dishes you make. Today, I am going to cook a simple Palak Paneer like dish, but I am going to use 6 best greens that you can grow in your farm, in your house, in a pot. So, first let's see what these 6 greens are. One is Malabar spinach. This leaf grows wonderfully in summers, all of these two. This is Sorrel, the sour greens, which we love in Telugu speaking areas. Another thing which we have recently used is the drumstick leaf, the most nutritious leaf that you can get. Another one is Amaranth, which is very easy to grow in summers. This is Gangavalli, which is again very nutritious, and of course this is spinach like, this is Swiss chard. I am going to use all the 6 greens to make paneer, like palak paneer, using other greens other than the palak. So in this, very easy to make. So add ginger, garlic and green chillies. Just saute them in oil. Very little oil. Now in a very quick splash, we are going to cook the greens. Increase the flame, drop all the 6 greens and add some water. Let these greens cook not more than 2 or 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the flame. Slightly let it cool down, then put it in a blender and make it into a fine paste. Add oil in a pan, add cumin, garlic, finely chopped onion, and saute it till the onion is slightly browned. Trust me, the sweetness of fried onion will enhance the curry, even if it is palak paneer or the paneer with 6 greens. Little bit of salt, and let's brown these onions a little bit. In this, add a little bit of turmeric. This pinch of turmeric will enhance the green color too, and add tomatoes to this. A little bit of tomato puree. Let this cook till the rawness of tomato is gone. In this, we're going to add a little bit of coriander powder, a little bit of cumin powder, pinch of garam masala. Cook it on a slow flame till some of the oil comes out of this mixture. Look at this, the masala is cooked, the tomatoes are kind of finished in terms of well cooked. In this, we're going to add the paste of all the 6 summer greens. It is very important that you eat the greens which grow in the season very well. Yes, we can grow spinach, we can grow methi leaves, we can grow a lot of greens, but what very easily grows in that season, if you eat, that is what is the nature's way of recommending for you to eat it, and that's what will keep you healthy. Now, mix all of this, let it cook for a few minutes till this green sauce becomes nice and shiny. That's when you will develop a real good taste of the curry and you will enjoy it while eating. Eat it with a pulka, roti, with this along with the paneer, my God, heavenly, godly. Nutmeg is absolutely must for all green curries, whatever you make. This will give that extra boomba effect for your curry. The mantra, add butter. Just add a little bit of butter. In this, add paneer. That's it. After adding butter, let this cook for not more than 2-3 minutes and check the seasoning. Perfect. Best eaten with roti, rice, or pretty much anything. The dish is all ready. The consistency is of your liking. I today in the mood to eat it really, like ooh. While you are having this with roti, just have some onions on the side that you will enjoy it very much. One has to eat seasonal greens and vegetables to be healthy. What are the greens that you must eat in summer? The ones that grow very well in this hot climate. Now let's see what are the 6 greens that you must eat this summer or every summer. One of the greens that grows very well during the summers is Purslane. Give water and these plants thrives. This is best eaten with dal and other preparations. This winter I planted some seeds of Swiss chard. I got it from US, and this Swiss chard grows super in summer. So make sure you grow some of the Swiss chard, which looks like colorful spinach. All kind of amaranthus grow very well in summers. Some of them big leafed, some of them regular. And this is Gongura, which is again very popular. We get red variety and green variety. And in the future session, when I do a special episode on Gongura, I am going to show you how to grow and harvest. But these two, again, very popular and easy to grow in summers. There are variety of amaranthus which is considered to be a weed, and there are some of them which grow as tall as 8 feet. But the stem of this amaranthus is again a delicacy which I will show some other time. Drumstick leaf is a super green that you must incorporate into your summer recipes. Easily available throughout. Malabar spinach is easily grown in summer. We all read a story where a boy puts a seed and overnight that plant grows. This is that kind of thing, and it loves hot summers. So make sure you incorporate these greens into your summer recipes. The green curry. I know people love Palak Paneer. Friends, the real immunity comes from seasonal vegetables that are grown without spraying any pesticides. Even if you are a home gardener, you can grow these greens very easily, and with every bite, the extra boomba boomba effect is your own homegrown vegetables. Wow. I'm going to make an individual recipe for each of these greens. I'm going to show you how to grow them and how to harvest so you get the best produce. And of course, tons of recipes with them.